Hello and welcome to our weekend vlog. I thought I'd do like one weekend vlog a month or something like that. This weekend it's bonfire weekend, so I just thought I'd vlog what we get up to. And yeah, so today we are taking somebody dancing firstly, aren't you? You're going to dancing? And then I'm working literally for a few hours and then we're going to go and see some fireworks. So I thought I'd bring you along and just show you what it's like where we're going. We're going to Saffron Walden. They've got like a fair and they'll probably have some food. So we're going to go on the fair, hopefully, if it times right, before we see the fireworks. Yes, fair.
Wow.
So yeah, kids are really excited. I'm really excited. And I thought I'd bring you along. So yeah, if you like the video, if you like watching our vlogs, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if there's any vlogs you do want to see that like we might be getting up to, like Vlogmas and stuff like that, which will be really cool. So yeah, keep watching if you want to. Do 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 do.
Ready to dance?
Don't believe me, just
Oh, Leo's gone.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Right, Leo, sit your bum down. That's it. Oh, you want to get down?
Can you see the maid? Would you like to go?
Inside. They just explode.
Put your ugly mug on it first.
Hello!
It's Sunday and we're off for my and the kids' first ever Toby Carvery. Not yours though, is it?
Second, I think.
Evie's dressed like a princess. Princess Belle. Leo's looking...
Like a skater boy.
Yeah.
Said see you later, boy.
Oh, and now... we're not going in with him like that. I'll do it. Is it nice? What are you going to eat next? B.
How's your first trip to Toby Carvery?
You like it? We have got to come back.
10 out of 10?
20 out of
20 out of 10.
No,
I'm good.
20 out of 20.
We're good. So we've decided that we're going to come and see a new place which is full of Christmas decks. It's called the Bauble Barn and that is it behind us. We're going to go for a little bit of a Christmas deck shop, though we have just got a ton of Christmas decks in Home Bargains. I will be doing a Christmas haul with Home Bargains as well. So yeah, I will show you inside. And my princess is still being a princess.
Well, it is gratifying to keep it through the door.
I like the clear ones actually, I like them ones.
Got our candy cane.
Star. Golden. Golden star.
Very nice.
It's a dove, isn't it?
This is Braintree. Oh my
It's a
gosh.
green one.
But look at that.
I love that.
I'm cold.
It is a bit chilly in here, isn't it? But it's a barn. Oh wow, looks like you can make your own potpourri.
What's a potpourri?
Yeah? The swan is amazing, isn't it? It's really good.
Mummy,
Yes, darling.
a girl
I
nutcracker.
got...
Mummy,
Yes, darling.
we can get something small for these trees.
No, we're not going to... Nothing will hang on the trees we just bought.
Mummy, that's one. That's one of them. What we have.
We're ending our day with a film and popcorn while Lou sands the table and I'm going to paint it.